Then crochet the pedicel and stem. We'll crochet the pedicel and stem with gray yarn for demonstration. Please refer to the same methods to crochet one more pedicel and stem with coffee yarn on your own. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring, make loop around your middle finger, and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into a loop of middle finger. Yarn onto the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is trace the height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Remember to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. There are 2 V shapes on the side. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker and work one slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Cut off this short yarn tail. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. And finally, cut off excess end. One pedicel is completed. The stem. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. First, make slip knot in this way. Place the hook under the yarn. Twist the hook anti-clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover of the yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A slip knot is made. Start with 6 chain stitches. Turn, skip the first chain stitch and work 5 single crochets from the second chain stitch. Work 6 chain stitches first. Mark the left loop of the first chain stitch. Continue to work 5 more chain stitches. Six chain stitches are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch and work 5 single crochets from the second chain stitch through the left loops of the chains. 5 single crochets are done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the stem. We'll sew the stem on round 1 of the pedicel. Tie a knot. The stem and the pedicel are sewn up. Leave these yarn tails alone. We'll use them for sewing later. Please make the other stem and pedicel in the same way with corresponding yarn on your own.